What if one tiny part in your car could turn into a disaster just because you ignored it for too long? It starts small. A worn belt here, a tired battery there. You keep driving thinking everything is fine, until suddenly it isn't. Engines collapse, brakes fail, cars break down in the middle of the road. And all of it happens because the parts designed to protect your car were never replaced on time. Here's the terrifying truth. Delaying just one replacement can destroy your engine, cause a dangerous accident, or drain thousands of dollars from your bank account. But it doesn't have to be this way, because there are 10 critical parts every car owner must replace before it's too late. Parts that decide whether your car lasts another 100,000 miles or dies tomorrow. Most drivers don't know them. Some learn the hard way. But today, you'll learn them all. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which parts protect your car's life, your safety, and your wallet. Let's begin. 1. Engine oil and filter. Think of engine oil as your car's lifeblood. When it's fresh and clean, it flows smoothly, reducing friction and keeping every moving part alive. But when it's neglected, it turns into sludge, thick, dirty, and deadly for your engine. Sludge blocks passages, starves parts of lubrication, and eventually leads to catastrophic engine failure. The oil filter is just as critical. If it's clogged, dirty oil keeps circulating, slowly grinding your engine from the inside. And here's the irony. Oil and filters are some of the cheapest parts to replace. Skip them, and the repair cost isn't in the hundreds, it's in the thousands. But oil isn't the only fluid keeping your car alive. 2. Timing belt/chain. Hidden deep inside your engine is the timing belt or chain, a part most drivers never even think about. But here's the danger. If it ever snaps, your engine's pistons and valves collide. In seconds, the entire engine can be destroyed beyond repair. Replacing a timing belt might cost a few $100s. Replacing the engine after a failure, that can run into the thousands. It's one of the most critical parts with a strict lifespan. Ignore it, and your car's life could end instantly. Replace it on time, and your engine will keep running smoothly for years. And just like timing belts, your brakes hide a silent danger. 3. Brake pads and rotors. Your brakes are the only thing standing between you and disaster. When brake pads wear thin, every stop grinds metal against metal. That doesn't just destroy the rotors, it multiplies your repair bill and puts your safety at serious risk. The warning signs are there: squealing, scraping, or a longer stopping distance. Ignore them. And you're gambling with both your wallet and your life. Replacing pads on time is cheap. Replacing rotors is expensive. Waiting until both fail in the middle of traffic? That's priceless, in the worst way possible. Brake parts don't forgive neglect. But the next part is even more overlooked. 4. Battery. Your car's battery is silent until the day it isn't. Most last only 3 to 5 years before their power fades. When that happens, the engine won't start, the lights dim, and every electronic system fails. And the worst part? It never happens at a convenient time. It happens in the cold, in the dark, or when you're in a rush. A dead battery leaves you stranded, calling for help or paying for a tow. All problems that could have been prevented with a timely replacement. It's one of the simplest parts to maintain, but one of the most frustrating to ignore. And if batteries can leave you stranded, tires can put your life at risk. 5. Tires. Your car's tires are its only contact with the road, yet they're one of the most neglected parts. Even if the tread looks fine, the rubber ages. Sun, heat, and time create cracks that weaken the structure. Drive long enough on old or bald tires, and you're gambling with a sudden blowout at highway speed. It's not just dangerous, it can be deadly. Replacing tires on time keeps you safe, protects your suspension, and ensures your car handles the way it was built to. If you want to protect your car and save thousands on repairs, make sure you subscribe, because the next parts are even deadlier when ignored, and one of them is hidden deep in your engine. 6. Spark plugs and ignition coils. Inside your engine, tiny sparks create every explosion that keeps your car moving. When spark plugs wear out, those sparks weaken. The result? Misfires, wasted fuel, and constant engine strain. Left alone, it can even damage your catalytic converter, an expensive repair no driver wants. Ignition coils are just as important. When they fail, entire cylinders stop firing, leaving your car shaking, weak, and burning fuel for nothing. The fix is simple. Replace plugs and coils on schedule. They're small parts, but they protect your engine from massive damage. But the part carrying power to every system also has an expiration date. 7. Alternator. If the battery is your car's starter, the alternator is its lifeline. It constantly recharges the battery and powers every electronic system, lights, radio, sensors, even the engine's computer. But when the alternator begins to fail, your car slowly loses strength. The headlights dim, the electronics flicker, and finally, the entire car shuts down without warning. Unlike a weak battery, an alternator failure leaves you with no chance of restarting. The car is dead until it's replaced. It's a part most people never think about, until it strands them in the worst place possible. And then there's the filter most owners completely forget. 8. Cabin and air filters. Every breath your car takes passes through its filters. A clogged air filter forces the engine to work harder, reducing efficiency and burning more fuel. Over time, it even shortens the life of critical engine components. The cabin filter matters too. When it's dirty, your AC struggles, airflow weakens, and harmful dust and pollen circulate inside. The fix is almost laughably simple. Filters are some of the cheapest parts to replace. Ignore them, and you could be facing repair bills that cost hundreds. It's a small habit with a big payoff. But the next part is about your safety, not just comfort. 9. Suspension parts, shocks, and struts. Your suspension does far more than keep the ride smooth. It keeps you in control. When shocks and struts wear out, every bump feels harsher. But the real danger is hidden. Your car takes longer to brake, your tires lose grip, and sudden turns become unpredictable. It's not just uncomfortable, it's unsafe. A weak suspension can turn an emergency stop into a collision. Replacing shocks and struts on time restores stability, protects your tires, and gives you back the confidence that your car will respond when you need it most. And finally, the part that can end your car's life in seconds. 10. Fuel pump. Your car can survive without comfort features, but without a working fuel pump, it won't run at all. The pump delivers gasoline from the tank to the engine at precise pressure. When it fails, the engine starves, and your car simply shuts down. Dirty fuel, clogged filters, or running on near-empty tanks all strain the pump and speed up its death. And here's the sting. It's one of the most expensive parts to replace, but ignoring it isn't an option, because without it, your car becomes nothing more than a dead shell. So while costly, it's a part you can't afford to neglect. So what's the big picture here? Cars rarely fail in one dramatic moment. It's the delayed parts that kill them. The twist? Replacing on time always costs less than repairing late. Neglect equals regret. Discipline equals longevity. This is why these 10 parts must be replaced on time, or you'll regret it. Protecting your car means protecting yourself. Small, timely expenses today prevent massive regrets tomorrow. So tell me, which part do you think most drivers forget about? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe now for more hidden car secrets that keep your vehicle running longer, safer, and smarter.